dookie right now. It's alright.
In today's video, what are we doing, G?
A couple of fun things today. You guys will find out.
Well, by the title of this video, they pretty much know. We're gonna be installing probably one of the most controversial, did I say that right? My guy here has bought himself an Invidia R400 exhaust for his 2019 WRX STI. What does the R400 go for? For around like almost $900 to $1,000 is what they typically go for. So I'm expecting it to sound pretty good. This is Geovani's 2019 STI. I forgot to show this when I got picked up at the airport. Well, mainly because it was nighttime and couldn't see much. STI got the gunmetal gray, right? Gunmetal gray wheels?
I don't know.
They look gunmetal gray. Look nice. Got the big wang. Got the Recaro seats. Pretty nice. Smells like a brand new car. Of course, got the Cobb floor mats. Shout out to the dirty floor mats. Geovani. I drove it a little bit last night and it drove really well. So right now we're gonna head over to FedEx and pick up that exhaust. And then after that, I think we're heading to Fabian's, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna head over to Fabian's, a friend of ours. He has a lift and some tools that we can borrow. So
Exhaust clip.
we need a liven her up, boys. You ready?
Let's go.
All right. What? A Massachusetts car with no rust? That's just crazy.
You know.
He's a subscriber, guys.
Hell yeah, watch every video.
Yeah.
Got the notifications on too.
Yeah, stop sucking dick.
Yeah, I was going to say the same thing. Fucking.
Anyways, guys, I'm probably not going to show too much of the install only because there's a bunch of videos out there of how to do it. So I'm probably just going to get to it. It seems pretty simple. Probably going to let the car cool down just a little bit before we do the exhaust because I like my hands. And I believe they do too, so. Once he's done with that, we're gonna install the Invidia exhaust that he's got over here. Probably for shits and giggles, he's gonna start it up just to see what it sounds like right now with no catback exhaust. But yeah, so far so good. All right, let's see what this thing sounds like. No catback. It actually sounds pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie.
Let's see how it sounds after the catback. You know?
Well, anyways, pretty much got the exhaust pretty much done. Just need some alignment issues.
I know, I see it on his Facebook story all the damn time.
All right, we just got the exhaust all buttoned up. What'd you say? What? Yeah, for exhaust leaks.
Where are you going?
It's actually pretty decent.
let go,
The fitment
Never let go.
is pretty much the same on each side, which is always a plus because it sucks when you can always tell one's further than the other, or one is more to the left or more towards the right. But nope, you got it on there pretty decently. Let her rip. Oh, much better. What happened?
It's not a V8.
Hell yeah, brother.
The turbos is already the muffler. The turbo muffles the sound already. Gotta shoot flames. Hey.
Alright, we just gonna
No leaks,
Do
boy.
it again.
You just spit out mad shit on me, but alright.
It's all the shit that was in the packaging.
Oh yeah. Go check. We're gonna go get lunch.
Yeah,
we'll be right back. Okay.
You're good. See you later.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Take my car.
Yeah. Oh, it's locked, guy.
It's German safety.
Fucking Germans.
Damn thing.
Alright.
Hey, be careful with these fake Recaros.
Yeah, they're totally fake. It's an A4.
I'm telling you, this is an A4, not an S4.
Yeah.
Yep.
See you,
Could've
Jake.
fooled me.
Might go for some creams. Nice steak and cheese sub.
Yep, sounds
Haven't had
good.
that in a while.
Yep.
What you waiting for, man?
You know, safety. Don't get hurt.
Is this real carbon fiber?
No, it's fake. It's an A4. Don't look at that.
Jesus.
These fucking people.
Today, Junior.
I'm working on it.
Punch it.
Alright.
Still slow.
You guys' roads are perfect up here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it doesn't help this thing's fucking stupid.
It keeps you awake.
Yeah. Very nice.
2 hours later.
Alright. That was a good trip.
Is he?
You
Did
got
he
out.
crawl out of the fucking car? He fucking crawled out of the car. Gio! What are you doing?
I know we took long, but not that long. Guys, that's Supreme though? Supremes? Steak and
Fire.
cheese?
Shit was good.
Let's talk about it.
It was great, honestly.
It was. I haven't had it in like months.
We forgot to get GS up though.
That'll be fine. He must have had something in there, right?
Yeah.
Sushi, something?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Got his vape too. It's good. What'd you say? Did we get you anything?
Absolutely not.
No, I thought your vape was good enough in there, no?
Yeah, dude, I thought you guys survived off vapes and sushi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See?
All that cloud smoke.
Oh, bro, watch these damn clouds.
Is that how you got down? You just cloud smoke on the floor and just...
Did you fucking Aladdin your way down? Oh, Aladdin had a carpet. Fuck, that's all.
Same as my name. How to gain more subscribers 101.
I hate you.
You beg for them.
You beg for him.
Go to each person that
Kenny,
you know.
I've known you for years.
Go to each person you know.
Dude,
known-
now,
whip out
congratulations.
your
You have 804 subscribers.
Woo!
We've known Kenny for too long.
All right, that's how you guys do it. Yeah, just go to every person you know and just tell them to whip out their phone and subscribe. Right in front of you. Tell them to do it right now.
So, Luke, remember when you were in the Philippines and you
Yeah.
kissed that lady boy?
I was hammered, but yeah. Okay, you want the whole story?
Yeah.
Okay, so we were in a club in the Philippines. And why are you getting closer? Stop.
You
I
know
feel
the
like
backstory. That you're a
Because
Marine.
like this camera does not pick up sound that well, so I have to get closer.
Okay, so before this, I was in the Marines. I just got out a few weeks ago. So before, when I was in the Philippines, we went to a club. I was hammer drunk.
Okay.
And this girl started dancing with me, or what I thought was a girl at the time.
Yep.
And I'm like,
Sure.
all right, bet, this is awesome. And it was like right when like the Trump grab her by the pussy thing came out. So I'm like, my president said I could do it. I'm gonna do it. I go to grab what I think is a dick, full on dick, and it was a biggin. It was a biggin. No. It gets worse because I don't know how to respond to this. So
Keep it down, guys. Tell us a story.
at this point, Shim.
Let's just let him finish.
Okay. So
Hey, tight is tight.
All right.
at this point, Shim, Herm, whatever you want to call me, I grab his shoulders and I push him back into a crowded dance floor, and I just go, ah! He looks at me like I was the one who made a mistake, like offended, like you already knew, right? Like, no, I didn't fucking know. So I leave the bar, I leave my card there, tab, everything. I just fucking deuce out. I go back the next day. Guess who's man in the fucking bar? Homeboy is, and he looks at me mad when I go to pay off my tab.
Jesus.
That's the end of the story. There isn't much more to that, and I still feel awkward about it. But that's when I figured out I wasn't gay.
All right.
I still regret.
So what was the lesson that was learned?
grab what you think is going to be a pussy before anything happens.
All right.
You meet her, grab it.
All right, there you go. Trump 2020.
Can you hear him? No. I can't hear you.
I can't even hear myself.
Oh, we still got the side skirts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we still got the side skirts, people.
Back it up. Back it up. Ooh, look at those mud flaps. And the spats. Ooh, killing them. Killing them. Oh, look at the bromance. Oh, look at that. We out. Fabian, nice seeing you.
Likewise.
All right. What do you think of it, G?
Sounds so much better now.
I know. Came alive, didn't it?
So much better.
Yeah.
This car really does come alive after you put on a cab back
Yeah, they speak
or
up.
an axle back. I can't in my fucking throat.
Well, G has a sore throat. What he was saying was that this car really does come alive after you put on exhaust, and I don't know how it will sound on video, but in person, it definitely sounds good. It's got a nice deep growl to it. I'll probably get an exhaust clip, like a flyby tomorrow when it's daytime, because as you guys can see, it's not daytime no more. So, yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. Alrighty guys, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. This install was a success. G, how do you like it?
Sounds beautiful.
G loves it. It's not too loud, as you guys can hear from here. It's not too loud, it's not obnoxious. It's just the right deep EJ noise that it produces from the Invidia R400 exhaust. How much was it? It was about 900 bucks?
$984 after tax and everything. About $1,000.
Okay, after tax it was about 984, almost $1,000. But definitely well worth it. He loves it as he's downshifting here. As always guys, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you could give a thumbs up to this video, leave a comment down below of what you guys think about this exhaust. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.